Hole. Noun. A hollow place or cavity, an excavation, a pit, an opening in or through a solid body, a fabric, etc., a perforation, a rent, a fissure. Hole. Verb. To make holes in an object or surface. Shrapnel holed the ship's hull. Hole. Verb. To go into a hole. Hole. Verb. To drive into a hole, as an animal, or a billiard ball or golf ball. Hole. Verb. To cut, dig, or bore a hole or holes in. To hole a post for the insertion of rails or bars. Hole. Verb. Simple past tense of hele. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.